my channel, but if you're... I'm sitting here trying to film and the rain just started falling. Thank you, rain. Thank you so much. Wow. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new, then welcome. I do hope that you enjoy here. You can totally subscribe to my channel right down there, and you could click that little bell because you'll be notified whenever I upload. In today's video, I'm doing more organization tips because it's still the beginning of the year and we need to be organized for this entire year. I'm going to push as much as these organization videos that I could do. If you want to see them, then let's go. Number 1, categorize items into a specific place and keep them together. For example, on my bookshelf, I try to keep all of my books there, like every single one of them. So I know it's typical that a bookshelf is for books, right? But usually when I have exams and I'm studying, my habit is that I have a pile of books on the ground or like on my other desks, and it would look really, my entire room would look really untidy. It's clear a spot, one empty spot on my bookshelf so that I could just stash the books that I'm readily using, like for exam time. Even though I organize it throughout my semester, how I need my books per course, I still have like a random pile of books that I'm using. Like I may use about 3 or 4 books for study one particular course, so I leave that empty spot on the bookshelf. Another example is that I have 2 desks for studying. One of my desks is a flip up, so inside there I keep all of the extra stationery that I need to store and all of the stationery that I'm using to study and do work at the moment. And I only keep my planner on top of my desk, so I try to keep it completely clear. And the other desk, I try to keep that totally clear, and sometimes I would only put at least one piece of decor item. Number 2, use multi-purpose organizers. So things like decorative bins where you could put a lot of different things in there, and over the door hangers, I use that quite often because it's really out of the way. It's over the door and you could store like so many different things on it. And I even have these extendable hangers where they have multiple places to hang, so sometimes I use them for belts, for like neck, for jewelry. Sometimes I even use them for like my medals or like just things, and I used to use them for bags too. So things that I need to hang and keep out of the way, I use those hangers. Number 3, keep a notepad on your nightstand to write all of your thoughts. Most likely you have a lot of random thoughts before you go to bed, as soon as you wake up, or even while you're sleeping. So you need some way to jot down all of those things instantly. So when you have that notepad right there, you would be able to organize all of the weird things that goes on in here, so you remember everything that goes on in your mind.
Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Number 4, use basic folders and accordion binders to store and file papers. So for example, during the semester, I like to use basic manila folders to store all of the notes and handouts for specific courses, the ones that I'm not going to carry on me, so there wouldn't be too much load on me when I have to go to classes. Sometimes I like to use the accordion binders where I would just put the tab for the course, because they are accordion binders, they have a lot of space to store everything in, and it definitely keeps me organized. After each semester is finished, what I also like to do is put all of the handouts, notes, and any other papers that I need for a particular course into envelopes to store it away. Usually keep it for a certain period of time, because you never know when you will need to look back into a course that you would need for a present course. calendar either on top of your desk or over the desk. Now, visual memory is a huge deal. Now, even though you may have all of your dates on your planner or little notebooks or your list, having that calendar where you see the actual dates, it would help you to have a better aspect of time and how close you are to your due dates, the projects, the events, anything that is coming up, and you would know how much time you actually have to study, whether it be 1 week, 2 weeks, a couple days. You would actually get a visual representation as you see the dates in front of you, and that huge calendar really helps to get it engraved into your memory. So, tip time, a quote by Albert Einstein: a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Let me know some of your organization tips. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Also, if you don't know, I am currently having a giveaway on my channel for back to school. So you can head on over to that channel to enter the giveaway and see if you have a chance to win. I will leave the link to the giveaway video right below, and I will put this video somewhere on the screen right around here. So head on over and enter that, guys. So bye.